कुछ नहीं है। ये देखो सारे पहाड़ हैं। नहीं कर इतना ही। अच्छा ठीक है तो ये देखो ये गाड़ी जा रही है फिर से दोबारा। ये पानी वाली गाड़ी दोबारा जा रही है।
Fire broke out at the Ghazipur landfill site on Sunday evening at about 5:20 p.m. The officials of the Delhi Fire Services received a call in the first place about the fire, and immediately a lot of fire tenders were rushed to the spot site. Currently, we are reporting from the same place where the fire continues to take place, and as we speak, the cooling down process is also taking place. There are close to 5 to 6 fire tenders who continues to be present here on the ground zero. As per the details, this is the rear side of the Gazipur landfill site, which is right opposite to the fish market in the East Delhi area. As of now, also as we speak, there is presence of Delhi BJP chief Viren Sachdeva along with the leader of opposition in the MCD from the Bharatiya Janata Party, that is Sardar Iqbal Singh, who has also been the former mayor of the North MCD. Although as of now the MCD is unified, so the politics continues to take place, and also the smoke continues to billow from this area, and the people who live in the nearby vicinity, they are also forced to breathe the toxic air. But the initial probe so far has suggested that the spot where the fire broke out, that was the place where the fresh dumping used to take place, and because of the high temperature on Sunday, this is something which in fact produced a lot of methane gas when it came to the contact of air. This is something which triggered the fire in the very first place. But even after 15 hours, there is no overall control as far as the fire is concerned. This is the reason why leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party, they have come here to take the stock of the overall situation, and also as to how much impact of the fire is at the ground zero, because this is something which is also a health concern as well, health condition as well, because all those people who live in the nearby vicinity, in the nearby radius where the smoke is going out, they are the ones who are actually facing the brunt as far as the landfill site and the harm related to it are concerned. So we need to see as to how long will it take to further douse the fire, because so far the effort continues to take place, but the official reaction from the side of the Aam Aadmi Party is yet awaited.
बहुत ही ज़्यादा दिक्कत है सर, कोई सुनवाई नहीं हो रही किसी तरह की भी, और कितनी बार कहा है ये इसमें आग लगी रहती है आए दिन, और धुआं वगैरह इसका तो है ही है, पानी का भी, जो कि अभी तक दस्त लगे हुए हैं हमारे बच्चों के, हमारे यहाँ की प्रॉब्लम बहुत ज़्यादा है, कोई सुनने वाला नहीं हो रहा।
जब धुआं आवे तो आंखों में धुआं लगे, वैसे परेशानी होवे, सब कुछ परेशानी आती है, और क्या आग जब लगी तो बुझेगी कैसे, बुझती नहीं जल्दी से।